boy.
Y'all can't see my roots, but they're black, and I want them to be red. So I have two colors. I'm dyeing my hair Creme Nature first, the blonde, and then I'm gonna dye this red. Oh my god. I don't even get these roots. I know I'm supposed to put it in section 4. But oh well. Okay, so this is my hair now. Now I'm about to dye it red. So this is everything in the box, the developer, and then the color. So I'm about to put the color in the developer and then shake it up. My plan today is to flower my hair. I haven't flattened my hair in like 3 years, but I'm flattening my hair myself, which I never done before, so that's gonna be new. But right now, shake, shake, shake. Oh, and then here's my eyebrows. I don't know why it just turns red. It's a little black, but I'm gonna put the dye on so my eyebrows can be red. My hair looks so crazy because it's like, yeah, all of it's red. Hey guys, so I finished my hair. So this is the Creme of Nature, the red dye. I applied it to my roots and everything like that. Well, my whole head, put the dye on all of my hair because the blonde kind of got on like my ends and stuff like that, so I just applied it to my whole head, and then I just did like I applied it everywhere. I don't know, I'm just trying to show you the back of my hair. I feel like I have different textures in the back than my front, but this is everything. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yes, so I just put the color and then the developer and shaked it up. The instructions are in this Creme Nature box. My next video, I want to flower my hair for the first time because I never flowered my hair like by myself, like my whole head. So I really hope it turns out cute. Ooh. But yeah, so, and I applied the red dye to my eyebrows because I'm trying to match and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. See ya.
Thinking about her ways I never thought I would. Thinking about her ways I never thought I could. I just keep thinking about her when I shouldn't, girl.